A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is cosmic consciousness. When divine energy flows through human intent. Ladies and gentlemen, across the fabric of the universe, an invisible river flows, an eternal pulse of divine cosmic energy that sustains galaxies, breathes life into atoms, and stirs consciousness into motion. This is not just a sacred mystery revered by ancient minds. It is an emergent truth whispered by quantum fields, echoed by neurobiology, and sensed in silent stillness. Humanity stands uniquely positioned. Earth, unlike any other planetary host known, holds life capable of reflecting the cosmos, and the human brain, vast, dynamic, and luminous, is no mere organ. It is an interface, a sacred bridge designed to receive, amplify, and transmit the divine currents of the universe. This master creation, the cosmic energy flow, is not chaotic. It dances in patterns, moves in rhythms, and holds infinite characteristics. The earth, tuned to celestial forces, receives this energy through solar winds, magnetic harmonics, and biological resonance. Among all forms of life, only human beings possess the physiological and psychological architecture to consciously align with this divine energy. The brain, operating at the edge of quantum awareness, is structured as both receptor and transmitter. Neuroscience reveals its neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire itself with intention. Quantum mechanics speaks of entanglement and non-local connectivity. Together, they validate what ancient wisdom practiced. Prayer, meditation, chanting, and surrender are not rituals of faith alone. They are technologies of cosmic engagement. Yet, for the brain to perform this sacred function, it must be nourished. Good internal energy generation begins with a healthy foundation. The heart-lung-brain system is a symphony of biological life, and its wellness is essential. Nutrition rich in vitality, cardiovascular activity that enlivens the pulse, knowledge that sharpens the mind, competencies that shape clarity, and emotional positivity that fuels inner joy, all serve to charge the brain's energy centers. Without this internal harmony, even the most sincere spiritual intent may falter in resonance. When one connects through genuine purpose, seeking not for ego but for meaning, a divine download occurs. Clarity emerges. The mental fog lifts. Emotional strength rises. A vision forms within. A cosmic digital picture towards the higher goal. The more the seeker aligns with purposeful and progressive action, the more the universe amplifies the flow. Energy responds to energy. The cosmos, always observing, rewards coherence. And the design goes further. This energy, once received, is meant to be shared. The empowered brain can transmit it to other beings, especially those in deficiency. Compassion, then, is not just emotion, it is energy in motion. To absorb, enrich, and share is the divine feedback loop built into human consciousness. This is the unseen architecture of grace. Lord Krishna's transmission to Arjuna at Kurukshetra, as mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, illustrates this divinely engineered flow. Arjuna lacked nothing but clarity. When he surrendered emotionally, Krishna responded with a burst of cosmic empowerment. That moment shifted a soul, altered a battlefield, and echoed through millennia. It was not just divine intervention, it was divine energy received through heartfelt connection. So it is even now. What's the way forward? The tools lie within. Meditation, breath awareness, mantra, prayer, intentional silence. These are not outdated traditions. They are precise instruments to sync with cosmic frequency. But these must be supported by physical care, mental clarity, and emotional wellness. Science must continue validating them, but personal practice is the ultimate laboratory. Each seeker, through consistent alignment and observation, contributes to this ongoing discovery, turning themselves into both subject and scientist in the realm of energy. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmos waits not in judgment but in readiness. It holds infinite power, yet it yields only to conscious seekers. The human brain, illuminated by intent, sustained by vitality, and elevated by purity, is the universe's finest gateway. When thought, biology, and purpose converge, cosmic energy flows unimpeded. And when that energy is shared, it transforms not only the self but the world. This is not myth, or metaphor. It is the design of creation, and nothing could be more empowering. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.